So, my name is Amy Kerr, and I work with women who are attracting emotionally unavailable men stuck in unhealthy and toxic cycles. And they have childhood wounds and need to heal them from the body. So, I'm a somatic coach and I help them to do that so they can have a healthy relationship with themselves. So, prior to AA, before I joined, I actually didn't have an audience, a business at all. I was teaching in a school and I was teaching meditation and a lot of mindfulness work. And I knew that I had a message that I wanted to get out there and people that I wanted to connect with and help. And yeah, AA really helped me to do that, but I didn't have any kind of an audience or following before I came into AA. So fast forward to today, I now have a thriving business. I have consistent monthly income. I have flexibility. I work from home. I have a beautiful team and I have amazing clients. So I actually just genuinely love to show up to work every day. And AA has positively impacted my life in that I have true flexibility and freedom. Like, if something happens in my life, I can take time out and go and attend to that. And yeah, I'm not locked into the 9 to 5 trading time for money at all. And it just has an amazing flow on to all areas of my life. My health has improved, my relationships have improved. I just feel like every day is a day that I get to choose me as well as my clients and my business and the way that Sunny's structured the program inside AA means that I'm not wasting time doing things that I shouldn't be doing. So she's literally given me back so much of my life. I'm incredibly grateful. So in terms of tangible results, I have a few actually. Within the first 6 months of joining AA, I made back my investment in the program. That was the biggest first result. But now, fast forward a couple of years, I have a YouTube channel of over 15,000 subscribers. I'm having regular 20K months, and I have a mailing list of over 4,000. I think I have about 20,000 followers on Facebook. But all those followers and things aren't as important as the fact that tangible results for me is that I'm now just working 4 days a week. I'm taking one day a week off to do art classes, which I'm really excited about. And it's just the kind of lifestyle that I never really dreamed I could have, where there's balance between what I love to do in terms of work and my own creativity. If you're considering in investing in the AA program, I would say you really just go for it. It is really the best program out there to give you the kind of structure that you need to sustain an online course business in this ever-changing environment where algorithms are just going crazy and haywire. Like literally what Sunny teaches is long-term legacy business structure. Like this is it. You need to do it. I've seen people nearly enroll in AA and they're not. And then they kind of like chase their tail and try all these different things for a couple of years. And then I'm just like, man, I just wish you would have just saved yourself some time, a lot of time and energy and effort, and just come into AA and just done the steps that are laid out for you. So you've really got to do it. It's really an investment in you, the rest of your life, your health, your family. That's just, yeah, it's just the best out there.